Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, this is a follow-up from the last video that we did, just upgraded to WordPress 5.0. And before we did that, we upgraded our Divi theme and the new Divi builder. And things broke. And I've been having a lot of comments both on the YouTube channel and on the blog and from my customers sending me emails. Quite a few people have had this problem. I don't know whether it was with WordPress or with the Divi theme. I doubt if it was with the Divi. It's been so reliable. But anyway, I've come back into this site. Thankfully, I had a backup of my site, which I actually installed locally on my computer and did the updates that way, and it worked absolutely fine. So why it didn't work on the online version, I don't know. And if anybody's interested in learning how to build sites locally on your machine rather than online, have a look down below. We've got a course on that. So anyway, I've come back to this site and I noticed there's an update. If we go to there, we've got the Divi 18.2, 3.18.2 installed, and there's a new update to 0.4. So I'm going to go ahead and update that and see if it fixes our builder problem. So I'm going to go ahead and update the theme. Theme updated successfully. Okay, well, let's do what we did last time. Go and see if we can actually edit a page. Okay, let's go. Let's try that one. Oh, hey, there we are. There's our new Divi builder. Oops, did I speak too soon? No, there it is. Excellent. There's a new Divi builder with its sections, rows, and content there, which is great. It's got some wonderful features. We'll cover them in another video. You can preview it quickly on desktop, laptop, mobile. That's pretty quick for a preview. You're not actually leaving anywhere, you're just doing it right there and then. That's great. Okay. So that's very pleasing. Thank you, Divi, or thank you, Elegant Themes. You've done it yet again. You've fixed that problem. So anybody that's out there, just update your theme to the latest one if you've been having problems, and it should fix it. I'd like to say though that let's just visit this site. I've probably got 30 sites with Divi on it. Of those sites, this was the only one that gave me that problem. But like I said, judging by the emails that people gave me, let's see if it's Visual Builder going to work in real time. Judging by the emails and comments that I got, quite a few people were having this issue. Yep, that works absolutely fine. Oh, it's still spinning. Nope, there we go. That is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. That's a really quick fix. Like I say, I don't know if it was Elegant Themes, Divi, or whether it was WordPress. That was a pretty huge WordPress update to the Gutenberg or to their blocks editing system. So if you find this editor a little daunting at first, it does look a little bit different from the regular one we had there. You can switch back to the classic. I've noticed if you don't have that particular button, well, let's just hit it here and see. I may have enabled this before. Yeah, there you go. You can just switch back to the classic if you want to, but I'm sure if you persevere with the new one, you're not going to want to. For those of you that may not have that, because I've tweaked this site a little bit since the last video, if you go down to your Divi theme options, I'm going to leave the page, I don't want to save any changes, and go over to Builder. There's a tab called Builder there. You've got some regular options here: enable Divi Builder on post types, pages, post projects. If you hit the Advanced tab, you've got some buttons down here, and yours may be off down there to enable the classic editor if you still want to use that. So just make sure that's enabled. And I haven't got that enabled, but it's working for some reason. Well, let's just enable it. Hit the save. Wait till we got our little green check button. Let's try editing one of those pages again. That's fine. Divi builder is working absolutely fine. Let's go to wireframe view. I don't know if I've got the old or the new. Yeah, it's the new one. Fantastic. Here's the new one yet again. Okay. Let's exit that visual builder. And let's go back to the page level and see if we can't exit. Back to our dashboard. And let's edit from the actual page level. I want to edit it. There we go. Fantastic. So everything is working absolutely perfectly. Thank you so much, Elegant Themes and Divi. If you don't have Divi and you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, I would suggest you take a look at it. And you can check it out from my affiliate link below this video here. It's just so easy. It's just unbelievably easy. But anyway, this short video, all I wanted to do was share this little fix that they've come up with for that problem we were having in the last video. So once again, thank you so much, Elegant Themes. I'm very impressed yet again. You guys rock, as they say. So I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As I said, if you're interested in web development, have a look down below. We've got some great free courses as well as some premium courses. They've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check them out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.